Microsoft OneNote Honest Review. So, Microsoft OneNote is a digital notebook app that lets you create, organize, and share notes across your devices. It's part of the Microsoft Office suite and it's completely free to use. So, let's go to the features and functionality. OneNote shines with its notebook design and section structure, making it easy to organize projects. You can also add text, images, drawings, audio, and even collaborate with others in real time. Syncing across Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and web is very smooth. So let's go to the ease of use. The interface is beginner friendly and the search function is excellent for finding notes quickly. So let's go to the integrations. OneNote works well with other Microsoft apps like Outlook and Teams. And then it's also perfect for productivity setups if you use Outlook and Teams. So the downside of the apps is that some users says that the mobile versions feel slightly slower compared to competitors like Notion. And if you prefer a minimal interface, OneNote might feel a bit feature heavy. And that's it. So OneNote is still one of the best free note taking apps in 2025, which is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a reliable way to stay organized for their work, school, or business purposes. And that's it. So, if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.